We begin tonight with our first real look at the two Mississippi women charged in the kidnapping and murder of Joanne Bain and her 3 daughters. Thanks for joining us. I'm Brad Douglas.
And I'm Kelly McAllister. Until today, this was the only glimpse of Teresa and Mary Frances Mays we've had. Teresa, Adam Mays' wife, Mary Frances' mother. Adam Mays, of course, the man who committed suicide after he reportedly killed Joanne Bain and 14-year-old Adrian, then kidnapped the 2 youngest daughters, Alexandria and Kalia. Today, during their first public hearing, we expected to learn more about the roles these 2 women allegedly played in Adam Mays' deadly plot. But their preliminary hearing was brought to a halt when their attorneys told the court their mental evaluations were incomplete pending a review of their medical records. But there was a new development in the case. 2 additional counts of aggravated kidnapping were filed against Mary Frances, who already was charged with 4 counts of conspiracy to commit especially aggravated kidnapping. Teresa Mays remains charged with 2 counts of first-degree murder and 2 counts of aggravated kidnapping. Their new court date is June 19th.
Though we didn't hear from either of the women directly today, we did learn what they're thinking through their attorneys.
7 Eyewitness News reporter NATALIE Potts was in this morning's hearing. She joins us live with the story. NATALIE?
Brad, Kelly, I spoke with Mary Frances' defense lawyers who tell me she is shocked by the additional charges filed today and surprisingly relieved to still be behind bars.
Teresa Mays reacts to husband Adam's suicide through her attorney, SHANA Johnson.
She really hasn't said much about it. She was more concerned about the 2 young ladies.
A concern Mary Frances Mays' attorney says she shares.
When she found out that her son was killed, or killed himself, her first reaction was, are the girls okay?
Police say Mary Frances Mays confined 12-year-old Alexandria and 8-year-old Kalia after the girls arrived with Adam in Union County, Mississippi.
Well, she's in shock right now, obviously.
Shocked but relieved. Now that Adam Mays is dead, defense attorney DYCUS says that even behind bars, his client Mary Frances is feeling safe for the first time in years.
Most people are anxious about making their bond and getting out of jail, but in her case, she's actually relieved, if you can imagine.
Speaking through her attorney, relieved to be free from abuse.
It seems to be developing as a defense that she may have been the victim of domestic abuse herself, maybe a battered mother defense, possibly.
A defense DYCUS says reflects what Mary Frances Mays is feeling.
Because, for the last 25 years, she's been scared of her son, and even though the bunks here are steel and not very comfortable, she is resting comfortably, as she says, for the first time in 25 years.
As for Teresa Mays,
she's okay.
Mary Frances' attorney also tells me her family members are beginning to come forward now that Adam Mays is dead. Again, both women are scheduled to return to court on June 19th and will be there. NATALIE Potts, 7 Eyewitness News.